I'm so tired.
Dude, crap!
Are you struggling with a report you could not complete, bored by an Excel sheet, or unable to run a hard-fetched code? Well, all you need is a little more time. So, just corrupt the file and you are good to go. Yeah, your boss, customer, or teacher will think that you delivered on time and it can't be opened due to a technology hassle. Mission completed. This is the file named samplefile.pdf which we will be corrupting using the website corruptafile.net. So on scrolling below you will find that we can upload the file using three options, that is from the device, from Dropbox or from the Google Drive. So I will currently upload it from my device. Before that I will download this file and select it. Now the option to corrupt the file has come, so I will corrupt it and you can see that the file is being corrupted. Once the corrupted file is ready, I will download it to see that it works. So you can see that the device is showing the message that it cannot display the PDF as it is of invalid format. Now I will also corrupt an MP3 file, that is an audio file. So I will select any music from here and you can see that this music is also present in my device and I can show it to you by playing it. So currently it is working well, but I suppose that after it is corrupted it will not work or it will not play either. So the file is being corrupted and now it is ready. So I will download it. So you can see that on opening the file, the audio is not playing and there are no options coming with it. So the file has been corrupted well. Also, I would like to show you it with the Files by Google app, which shows that it cannot play this file. Now you can also create a portable QR code for this file by just clicking on the QR code icon over there, and I will show it to you by scanning it that it creates a link which can be opened to access the file. That's amazing.